long cylindrical snout.
Hi, I'm Hui Pei from Pocket Yarnlings, and in today's animal shaping tutorial, I'm going to do something slightly different, which is actually how to crochet a kind of like a cylindrical snout onto an animal head without having to do any sewing at all. So I think you'll find this tutorial very interesting in the way that I shape it, and I hope that you get some ideas, you get some more ideas for your next animal amigurumi after you finish this tutorial. So let's get started on it.
Cylindrical snout. We are starting from round 5 and the parts in red refer to the snout. Part of round 5 in red. Part of round 6 in red. Part of round 8 in red. part of round 9 in red. The completed long cylindrical snout.
Hope you enjoyed this animal shaping tutorial. If you want to see other ways to shape your animal, remember to go and check out the playlist that I've included below, where I show you how to shape like the ears, the snout, the body, as well as like what you and paws as well. So and also don't forget that I have a free animal shaping starter guide, which is available below, so you can check out the link in the description below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you really enjoyed this video. So I hope this video actually has given you some ideas on what to do for your next project, and then I'll see you in the next one.